Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Craftsman battery not charging, no light, faulty cells and charger issue. So, fix one is check the power source. Plug the charger into a different wall outlet, then make sure the outlet is working by testing another device. Then verify that the charger is firmly connected. Second one is clean the battery and charger contacts. Remove the battery from the charger, then inspect the metal contacts for dirt, dust or corrosion. Clean the contact with a dry cloth or cotton swab. Reinsert the battery and try charging again. Third one is let an overheated or cold battery return to room temperature. Then remove the battery from the charger, allow it to cool down or warm up for 30 to 60 minutes. Reinsert the battery back into the charger and check for light charging. Fourth one is reset the battery. Remove the battery from the charger, then wait about 5 minutes. Reinstall the battery and place it back on the charger. Check if the charging indicators light appear. Fifth fix is check for charger problem. Inspect the charger for damage or a loose power cord, then if possible test the battery with another compatible Craftsman charger. Replace the charger if it does not provide on the charge any battery. Thanks for watching.